और वहीं यौम जमहूरिया के मौके पर साबिक सदर जमहूरिया प्रणब मुखर्जी ने भारत रत्न से सरफराज किए जाने पर बेपनाह मसरत का इजहार किया और इस हवाले से प्रणब दा ने अवाम को यौम जमहूरिया की बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद देते हुए कहा कि अब हिंदुस्तान बहुत आगे बढ़ चुका है। उन्होंने कहा कि मैंने इस मुल्क को इतना कुछ नहीं दिया जितना कि हिंदुस्तान और हिंदुस्तानियों ने मुझे दिया।
I was informed in the evening through a Rashtrapati House communication that I have been conferred highest civilian award Bharat Ratna. I always said, and I would like to repeat it, that in my public life I have received much more from the people, from this country, than I have given to it. But at the same time, with all humility, I accept this honor. I enjoy it and reciprocate it, and have conveyed my appreciation by talking to President of the Republic, who is the statutory authority to confer it. And once again, through you, I convey it to all the people of this country, my deepest gratitude to them. And I always pray, let me serve the people, because I do believe highest honor of any individual in this country is to be the citizen of this country. And that's why, as citizen Mukherjee, I am expressing my gratitude to fellow citizens for offering me such distinction.